Hello guys, today we are going to solve problem number 3541 from lead code. Okay, we can count the most frequent vowel and consonant. Okay, so like if you have x equals to one string, that is success. Okay, note one s and one u and two c here, and one e, one s, total letter is 6. Okay, inside this, so character frequency counter. So here frequency s appear two time, u appear one time, c is appear two time, and e appear one time. Okay, so vowel is a, e, I, o, u. You already know about vowel. Okay, so here I'm going to take ch equals to s from here, success. Okay, and here count of s is 2. Okay, so we can check this ch, it's present here in vowel. Okay, ch equals to s is vowel or present here in this? No, so we don't have any vowel here in vowel. Okay, so maximum vowel before 0. Okay, maximum vowel after also 0. Maximum consonant is 0, but maximum consonant after will become 2, because I have s equals to 2. So s is consonant, update maximum consonant. Okay, so here I'm going to write code. Okay, I'm going to use counter from collection, that it will count the frequency. Okay, here this is the class solution. Okay, and here this is the function maximum frequency sum. Okay, here I'm going to pass a string, that is s equals to success. Okay, s is the success, s equals to success. Okay, that should be in string, and output should be an integer. Okay, because it will give you count. So frequency of s, by using counter we can count the frequency of s like this. Okay, S2, U1, C2, and E1. Okay, so these are the frequencies. S appear two time, U appear one time, C appear two time, E appear one time. Okay, total letter 6. Okay, and vowel equals to set A, I, O, U. Set is used for like remove the duplicacy. Okay, so max vowel equals to 0 and maximum consonant is equals to 0 initially. Okay, guys, so here after this, I am going to define loop. Okay, here I'm going to write loop. Okay, for ch comma count. Okay, in frequency dot items, and use colon here. For ch I am going to take ch equals to s. Okay, s from here, success. Okay, so ch equals to what? Ch equals to s and its count is 2, so s comma 2 in frequency of dot item. Okay, so yes, we have in this frequency dot item, so this is the frequency. Okay, so here after this I need to check one condition. If this ch is in vowels. Okay, so here we are going to check this this s is present here in vowels. No. Okay, so here if it is present in vowel, okay, then we need to check by using max, that maximum vowel comma count. Okay, if it is present in vowel, then we need to check this condition. Okay, if s present in vowel, otherwise we will check what this condition else, because it is not vowel, so we need to check this. If it is not vowel, then definitely it will consonant. Okay, so consonant equals to max. Here inside this I am going to pass max consonant. Okay, comma count. Okay, so here I have max consonant, that is 2. Okay, s is consonant after the max count. So now in max count it will be 2. Okay, and here after this I am going to use ch. I am going to take this u, so ch equals to u and its count is 1. Okay, so here you can check ch equals to u and its count is 1 in frequency dot item. Yes, but you can check here this u is present in vowel. Okay, if ch in vowel, so ch equals to u is present in vowel. Yes, u is present here, then vowel will be 1. Maximum vowel after will become 1. Okay, and maximum consonant is 2. Okay, so maximum consonant after is also 2. Before I have vowel equals to 0, but after find out u in vowel, it will become 1. Okay, so use the vowel and update maximum vowel. So here I got 1. Okay, maximum vowel is 1 here. Okay, again I'm going to check with C. CH equals to C and its count is 2. Again I'm going to check here C and its count in frequency dot item. Okay, yes. So ch in vowel, no. c c is not present here, so then we need to execute this condition. Okay, so here you can see count is 2. Ch in vowel, no. Maximum frequency before of vowel, that is 1. Okay, maximum vowel 1. Sorry, maximum vowel before we have 1. Maximum vowel after is also 1. Maximum consonant before we have 2. Okay, and now after C is consonant, no change. Okay, so here still it is 2. Okay, so here after this I am going to use E. Okay, E, so its count is 1. Okay, so C is present, so E and its count is 1, so it is in frequency dot item. Yes, so C is equals to E, so E and its count is present in vowel. Yes, E is present here in vowel. Okay, yes, and its count before I have 1. After after this, what I have, 1 is here and ch in vowel s. Okay, so maximum vowel is 1, and after I have 1, maximum consonant is 2, maximum consonant after 2, so is vowel, no need to change. Okay, so here, like, if you are find out that is in vowel, so we don't need to change. Okay, then it will count the maximum vowel and maximum consonant by using this. Okay, so before I have one vowel and two consonants, so it will become 3. So inside this I have two vowel and one consonant. Okay, you can check here A, I, E, O, U. These are the vowels, and here this is our S. Okay, so you can check here vowel is, okay, so you can check here vowel and consonant. Okay, so I got in my output that is 3. Okay, so here my output is 3. Okay, maximum frequency sum, maximum vowel plus maximum consonant. Okay, so here I got my output 3.